This plane is very old, I think.
It's not too old.
Not too. This one is a Cessna. Cessna. Oh,
That's a Victor Air Tourer.
oh yeah.
Then you got the Super Cub, Twin Comanche, and the Cessna 152.
Oh, this Cessna 15.
This one's the Warrior. Nice plane. Very smooth to fly.
Oh yeah.
Flies like a Cessna.
The big one. How many people they can carry?
That carries 10 people. And the little one carries 4.
Oh yeah.
The Cessna there carries 4. The long one behind the blue one, that carries 6.
This Cessna is a 172. This one.
That one's 182.
182.
With retractable undercarriage, so all the wheels fold up underneath.
Yeah.
That one's 172.
I think 172. 172 is a very popular.
That is.
Yeah. And the fuel, how much for 1 liter?
$2.77.
Oh, 2,000. Is all the airplane they use this fuel or just use a normal fuel can?
Most of them use avgas.
Yeah.
The Technam uses normal fuel.
A normal fuel.
The Diamond and the King Airs, they use Avter, which is like kerosene or diesel.
Oh yeah. 这一架就说要开着飞机啦，还有这一架给大家看一下，这个就刚刚讲到的 C172啊，是一个最流行的教练机，但是呢价格也比较贵一点了，耗油也比较多，一小时耗30升油吧，但是呢我们开的这个 Technam 1小时呢耗18升油。那1升油的价钱就是汽油的价钱，它这个用普通95号汽油。What is this one?
This one's another Technam.
Oh, other Technam. It's a new model. What year this model?
I'm not sure what year.
I think after 2010, I think.
Yeah, I'd say 2012.
Oh yeah.
So it's a little bit different to this one. It's electronic fuel injection.
Oh yeah.
So if your battery goes flat, your engine stops. It needs the battery power to keep the fuel pumps running.
So how do you can have the spare battery? Very dangerous. It's a car, no, with the car, the battery flat is a normal thing. Yeah. How much this one? I think.
I think about 200,000.
200,000, the new one. Yeah, like this one. How much this one? Like this?
200,000.
Oh, this one. Yeah, 200,000.
It's quite nice inside this one.
Yeah. 这个是比较现代一点哦，很多电子仪表了。Good. If like this one, what year?
2007, I think.
2007. Like this, 2007. How much you're thinking?
Exactly the same.
Yeah.
There's one down here for 65,000.
Oh, it's good price. Better than the cheaper than the car. And I can ask the other question. Yeah, if the airplane they have some small things service by yourself or they have the.
You have to have an engineer look at it.
Oh yeah.
The engineer can teach you to do some things. You can change oil, change tire, small things, but you need to be shown by an engineer before you can do it yourself.
Oh yeah. They have the like Shepton Airport. They have the engineer to stay here, or just we need to call out from Melbourne, or?
We have 2 engineers here at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
My boss Nathan, he's also a qualified engineer
Oh, yeah.
for aviation and aircraft. And for the RA, we have Brian Burke, an older gentleman who's done a lot of RA servicing and
Oh,
maintenance.
yeah.